Hi, my name is Kody Schultz. I'm the manager of our Custom Solutions group here at HM Cragg, and today I want to go over 4 of our system builds we have on the production floor. These systems were built to be utilized in the oil field application, and they're installed in pump houses to back up power to SCADA systems and PLC controls. We utilized an Eaton 44U rack for these systems, and inside the racks we have an Eaton FX 3.1 kVA UPS with a ferroresonant transformer. For backup battery, we utilize 4 external front axis long duration batteries to provide extended runtime. We also included a maintenance bypass switch on a custom inset panel, which included terminal blocks for ease of customer connections. This pre-assembled solution arrives at site for the customer to install and deploy very quickly, including a rollout UPS shelf for ease of maintenance. Now stepping over to the second rack, we can see the rear view, which shows the battery disconnect breaker, which is used for battery replacement or battery maintenance requirements. If you're faced with an application that requires custom system assembly, please reach out to your HM Cragg sales manager. Thanks for watching.